Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a few paintings to share with you today from DPClubs. Now these are all 30 by 40 paintings. So let's grab the first one. This is the Cutie. So this one is a little panda under Moonlight, so it's a round painting. Thought he looked rather sweet. There's no 310, it's actually 939, 3750 and 823 that's used on this one. But the painting itself is just short of 25 by just short of 35. It has 21 different colours, and they do use white on black and black on white symbols, and they're all letters, which is even better. Always find that that's a lot clearer with that. You do get a toolkit, boat wax pen, and this one actually comes in the little baggies. So these little baggies hold approximately 200 diamonds each. But just to show you a few of the sort of brighter colours, we do have a pale yellow, a green, a blue, but there is a couple of others mixed in here. There's not too many of them, but we do have a bit of pink and then a bit more of a hot pink. There is, of course, well, 3756, which is sort of a bit more of an off-white. That is what looks to be the lightest colour. Apart from that, we have a few shades of blue and green. It gets us this gorgeous, cute, handsome little fella who's actually awake there. So that is painting number one. Number two, I seem to, maybe the next one isn't as dark a background. I seem to have gone for the dark backgrounds and contrasting images on the front. This one is some dandelions. Looks, I was trying to work out if they are still looking like dandelions or a little bit distorted, but I think they do. Looks like some flowers in the background, got a similar look to thistles. This one is a little bit smaller. So it is 24 by 34, so there's a little bit more of a border, but I thought it was gorgeous. There's definitely sort of a moonlighty theme going on. You do get a toolkit. Oh, look at that pink. Now, is that just because it's next to the dark blue? But that's a really nice deep pink. We do have some hotter pink. Again, quite a few bits of blue. There's no 310 in this. There is some dark purple, and there is, of course, some gorgeous blues in this one as well. This one, again, uses letters as the symbols, and the symbols all look nice and clear, which is good. So that's painting number two. Number three, a little bit lighter, but we do still have a moon. Sorry, that other one was round as well, by the way. So this one is a moon, but with a tree in the front. We do get a boat wax and pen. This one is in the baggies as well. Much prefer the baggies, but look to be a lot more muted colours than pops of bright ones in this. There is like a little bit of a brighter pink, and there is this peachy, but there's not any sort of really hot pops of colour. It's a lot more muted, but really, really nice nonetheless. Sizing for this one is 24 by just short of 34, so it's got the same sort of border size as this one, and again it's just using letters. I do like it when they use letters rather than symbols. just because I think we all recognise, or most of us recognise, letters a lot easier. We're not trying to spell words, so we're just repeating a letter of the alphabet. These flowers come out gorgeous down here. They look really pretty, and there's quite a bit of shading in the tree as well, so while there is some blockiness in the background, it then all breaks up a little bit while you get the tree. So yeah, I seem to have gone for a moon type theme for this day's selection. I've obviously been drawn to them as I've been browsing. I will pop links to each of these individual images down below, but of course you can click on any of those links and just go for a little mooch. But I do appreciate DPClubs sending me these so that I can share them with you all. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.